How to make your entire spring wardrobe fashionable with just one item. The easiest way is to sew an accent coat that you can wear over everything basic, gray, comfortable. I used a pattern from Burda January 2018. Model 113. I needed 3 meters of coating fabric 150 centimeters wide. For lining 2.5 meters, 150 centimeters wide. My material is quite thick, so I cut it layer by layer. After all the details are cut out, we proceed to interfacing. In this coat, instead of fusible interfacing, I used a traditional tailor's method called pad stitching. Before cutting, the cotton fabric should be carefully pre-shrink to avoid shrinkage during steam ironing of the entire product. Details of interfacing are cut without seam allowances. Now we proceed to pad stitching. It takes some time, but the process itself is very calming and meditative. First, secure the entire detail by stitching all around. The stitch completely captures the interfacing layer and 1 to 2 threads of the main fabric. Not a single stitch is visible from the front side. Using this method leaves the main fabric soft and flexible, while preserving it from stretching. The interfacing will not peel off during wearing and cleaning, and your coat will serve you for many seasons. The process of sewing a coat is not so difficult. For this fabric, I used 90/14 needles, since the material is quite thick. I also increased the stitch length. Carefully steam all the seams. This will give your product a luxurious look. Stitching lining to the coat. I trim the seam allowances to 0.5 millimeters on one layer only. Carefully steam all the seams. For a flatter edge, I use hand top stitching. The difference is noticeable. The needle goes through all the layers and grabs 1 to 2 threads from the wrong side. This way, all the layers of fabric are connected flat. I use special threads for top stitching. The edges of the sleeves are processed using the same method. Steam all the seams again. Now all you need is to sew the snaps, and your coat is ready to go. I really like this pattern. It is quite easy to sew and fits the figure perfectly.